Looks like you managed to escape from my school. You really are an irritating child. But I don't care too much. There are many more bad children who could be punished and taken downstairs to my secret laundry. No one has escaped from there ever. Only that boy with the blue hands. But that will never happen again! Where you will find the first piece of the mask. What is this strange object for? Enter my school now and continue playing in this first update. It seems that the fun begins now!